Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Hope you're having a good day. I'm here with 12 journals of 22, hosted by B-ma's Crafty Corner, and this is April, in which April's theme was boho. So what I did is I actually made a cover out of chipboard, and I covered it with this material I have, and that cool material. I loved it. And I colored her a while ago. And then this is that Dollar Tree little puff ribbon, I guess you want to call it, puffball ribbon. I have some going down here and then on the edge. And then inside is a lot of my jelly prints that I made. And I also used some texture paste on them as well. Made some cards and little pockets. So here we go. So this is the cover. We open it. And, oh, I have to glue that back. Oh, well. Stuff happens. I actually used double-sided tape. So this is a jelly print that I did. And just a little material that matches the cover and some eyelash trim and a little pocket. And this is one of my prints I made. And then I have some boho stickers from the Dollar Tree in the corners. And this one, just some of my more jelly prints and some I jelly printed and then stenciled, and then another boho sticker from the Dollar Tree. Boho sticker, jelly print, and then I did that. Oh, and then I used the Tim Holtz new cutter, the decal cutter on the edges of this in here also. So it's got this cool edge look. And my jelly print. And then a pocket. And just a little jelly prints on top. And when I think boho, I think bright colors and different like feathers and yeah. And so here's a dream catcher, and this was a stencil I had. I put there. You can write over this because I tested it just to see. Because my thought was, what's a journal if you can't write on the paper with my jelly prints or the stenciling? So I tested it, and you can write on them. So I was happy with that. And then here's another little, and some boho jelly print. And then you can add a picture, whatever you choose. I have a sticker in pretty much every corner or something. Okay, boho elephant. I got a butterfly, little journaling cards, a dream catcher. And I have a pocket. I have love, some journaling cards, then jelly printing and stenciling. Sticker from all these stickers are from a Dollar Tree stickers. I've had them for a while, so it gave me a reason to use them actually. So some more jelly print and different stenciling throughout. These tags right here was me taking the stencil from when I was using the texture paste and just pressing it on, and it just made these cool design on that paper, so I decided to use it. Why waste it, you know? It's one of my favorites. I like how that looks so bright and vibrant. You see? And then more and a feather. Like this is one of those prints from my my stencil. I just thought it looked so cool, so I used it. And then looks like a sunbeam, but I did colors. And feathers. And then this is just a jelly print. I didn't do anything to this one. I just left it the way it is. Have a feather. And some feathers. Paisleys. That's what those are. The little paisley shape. I couldn't remember what they are, and then it just popped in my head. A feather. And then on the back, some journaling. Cards. And a pocket. And that is my Boho journal for B-ma's Crafty Corners 12 journals of 22. Wow, I can't speak. So I will have her channel linked in the description box, so please go check it out. And I hope you guys liked my journal. And I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.